We go!
This is the one, this is the real one.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Keep going, keep going.
Keep going.
Don't laugh, don't.
Oh.
First down is 1.5.
Just amazing. I can only just believe this take me there.
It's just magical. That's the only
Yes,
word.
sir.
Oh, I'm getting kind of emotional with you. What do you feel like severe, two Brits away trying to sweat?
So yesterday we went to Tesla Life before we went to Clark's house and we got some blind boxes. This is the Chaka Light Sprice. So we're gonna
Under the Moon or Aurora.
let me see. I either want Under the Moon, Meteor,
You can take a picture.
Rainbow, or Firewood, or Light. I like them all, honestly.
Ooh, if I can get the secret. Alright, ready?
Okay, open the box first. 3, 2, 1, go.
Put in the comments below, what do you all think they're gonna get?
3, 2, 1, go! Pink. Ah, she's so cute!
We got the same one!
No way,
What are the
bruh.
chances? The same one.
That's crazy.
Nice.
Which one is that one?
This is Sunset Glow. Wow.
Chaka?
This is our couple pull.
The same one.
First blind box of the year.
Added to the group of ding dongs over there.
Yep. We're about to head to
The Aoyai place.
because we're gonna go to his cousin's house on Saturday for Lunar New Year, or what the Vietnamese call it.
Oh, that? I was like, chúc mừng năm mới. No, that's the saying you gotta say.
We'll see you guys there, because I have never worn one, and neither has he, surprisingly. Have you?
Yes.
Interesting. Alright, we'll see y'all there. We're back, and we got it! It was very fast.
Yeah, you kind of just go in there, tell her, how much you weigh, because she can judge what size, and then you just, try stuff on. It's pretty fast. Like, she'll show you the selection real quick, some good combinations, show you a different color you'd like, and then you just pick. It's honestly very quick, just like if you were to go shopping, I guess.
There's a very wide variety, and she's a very nice lady. She's so nice. She took one look at us and just guessed the size, and it fit perfectly. That's cool though. All right, well, you get to see what we're wearing. See you Saturday.
Bye.
Treat y'all. Everybody go out. 1, 2, 3.
Money.
New Year's resolutions?
Fuck bitches, get my dog.
Yeah! New Year's resolutions?
More bitches, more problems.
Sing balls, everyone!
Okay. You got $1? Give me the shrimp.
Go. Here we go. Koi fish.
Shrimp.
Blank.
No blank. Okay.
3, 2, 1. No problem.
No.
I had refunds. That one was hard though.
It's gonna be 2, I think. Okay, if you make this singular, you're an asshole. If it's the same word.
No, but like
No.
like a plural.
3, 2, 1. It's not even
What did you write?
Bro,
It's fucking pop run.